our motherboard H61. And today I'm going to show how to install RAM memory, CPU, SSD, and graphic cards. First, RAM memory. This is our RAM memory. Desktop DDR3 4GB. And first, open the buckle. This is the memory slot. You need to take the RAM memory with 2 hands, press the memory into the slot tightly, then the buckle will be locked automatically. It's okay now. Second, CPU. We use the model i5-2400. First, open the buckle. Then, use the CPU to make the socket. Attention, this small triangle need to point the lower left like this. Finally, lock the buckle. Very easy. Third, SSD. This is our brand golden memory, SATA interface. Now we use the SATA cable to connect with the SSD slot, and another side to connect with motherboard. It's done. Let's turn to graphic card. This is the model 1060 DDR5 6GB. We open the buckle and use the golden fingers to fit the slot. Press into the slot tightly. Now we lock the buckle.